Hello, families and friends and my fellow YouTubers. So today I like to talk about crypto mining. There's a company out there. It's called Helium, and they are willing to give us some helium money, crypto money, into our accounts. If you if you buy a hotspot, it's a third-party hotspot, and you download the Helium app and you connect it to the Helium hotspot through your Wi-Fi, Helium will give you a certain amount of heliums per day if you have a very good location and great antenna. So I found one on eBay. Great price. I can't believe I bid and won it at $775. The miner hotspot is called Finestra miner, and I will actually put on the video of the YouTuber, the eBay seller that sold me the hotspot, which I bid on it and I won it with a great price. And I want to show you where I got it from. I thought it was a scam. A lot of people are scamming today. But no, he did what he's supposed to, honest seller, and I'm an honest buyer. So I'll show you the video and the unboxing of the Helium hotspot that I got from the eBay seller. So here we go. Hello, my viewers. Today I'm gonna show you what I order on eBay. So I ordered this antenna here, 15 dBi antenna, and the box came, but it was destroyed by shipping. And all was in there was this one, this piece for the lightning asserter, and then free pin, this bracket. So, and then this right here is the cable to the antenna that links between the antenna and the hotspot. But see, missing the brackets that go right here, right into the pole. So there should be a pole right here, but the bracket is missing. I will let you know that I emailed the customer and they actually sending me a bracket, so that's great. And I will let you know in the video screenshot of where I bought this from, so you can order it yourself. But the excellent customer service on this one. And here is my Finestra. I think that's how you pronounce it, Finestra. Hotspot for helium mining. And my God, this guy really wrapped it up good. Let's see. He really wrapped it up good with blue tape and white tape. Yeah. Open it up. Let's see the box inside. All right, here it is. Helium. Yep. Here it is, Helium Miner Finestra. That's it. And here you see the seller ID. Here it is, and I'll show you a screenshot of it. But great seller, fast shipping. And here's the Helium hotspot. Oh my goodness, he wrapped it good. I got it eBay auction for $775. Free shipping too. Can't beat that for this helium miner. Oh yeah, it is sealed. Just as described. So, come with the gateway, the antenna. I'm not going to use, I'm going to get this one. Power adapter and power cord. But that's the box. Yep. Well, let's unbox it. Tape is clear. Oh, I ripped up the tape. No longer secure. Let's check inside. Stop right there before you use this Helium app on any other third-party app to register the Finestra miner on the Helium network. Please visit the Finestra.com install for additional installation. All right. You scan this QR code and download the app, but I'm going to use the Helium app instead. What's this? Introduction, how to download the app and everything. Okay. Oh yeah, this is the QR code to scan and download the app, and instruction where to locate your good location for your hotspot. Yep. Never in your bedroom. You gotta be by the window. Wow, this thing is small. Got another free pen. Okay. What is this? Oh, the 12 code key card. Can't, so you never lose your 12 security key. And this must be the power adapter box. Yep. Yeah, there's the antenna. I wonder how. Trying to see what the antenna dBi on these are. I think they're maybe 2.5 to 3 dBis. 2.6 dBi antenna. And here is the hotspot miner. Beautiful. Nice. Interesting. Cool. So you got the Bluetooth button. There's the antenna hole. and power cord go here and wrap around and come out wherever you like. And that's it. That is it, folks. Now we'll do another video on installing the antenna and the hotspot. Thank you for viewing. Please like and subscribe, and I will do my more updates on my mining progress, and join my mining adventure. Have a great day. Thank you.